Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Bin 101, the home of value, good information when it comes to crypto trading, investment in general. And right now I'm going to be sharing the headlines with you, and you might want to sit back and relax and know what is going on in the world of crypto. My name is Ahmed Alad Kazim, and this is the headline. Bitcoin jumps to 21K after soft data, US, less hawkish, and Bank of Canada. We also, the world largest cryptocurrency by market volume is up by more than 7% on Wednesday to its highest level in more than 1 month. And also we have on the headline, Bitcoin, Ethereum rally liquidate over 1 billion in trades overnight. Wow, that's a lot of money, guys. As Bitcoin has a possible breakout above 21,000, the broader crypto market liquidation over the past day topped a massive 1 billion US dollars. And talking about Dogecoin joins Ethereum in double-digit gains as crypto rallies. We all know Elon Musk is said to want to buy Bitcoin, and that's why a lot of people are rushing to back their money. On Dogecoin, you can read out on that. And we have another news on the headline. Solana Defined project reopened following 114 million Mango market hack. We all know what happened to them. You can read it out. Also on the headline radar, we can see Meta's Metaverse division reports 3.67 billion quarterly loss. That is huge, guys. All right, let's go on to the next. We can see right here, Ethereum layer 2 roll up, reduce cost, but the risks are underappreciated, and we all know Ethereum proof of stake has been a nightmare since the proof of stake happened. The market was just keep dropping till we have what is going on in the market. I'm talking about the appreciation in ETH. Let's check about that. Talking about companies, we can see Google settled with DOG over lost criminal crypto exchange, and we can see Google link bear market induced decline in crypto add to its missed earnings. Also, let's check out what's going on with Aptos. Aptos is luring away Solana NFT traders and creator will it last. We need to know what is wrong about that. Okay, you still want to know much about Binance, and Binance launches reliable and secure Oracle network. You can check that out on the news, and we can see Blockchain.com partners with Visa to offer crypto debit card, and I think that is very huge for the crypto space, and we look forward to that. Another news on my headline is BitPay to introduce USDC and ETH payment on Polygon network. So much good news coming on the headlines today, if you may agree with me. And we have this UK police have crypto expert station nationwide, and the police have managed to seize and stop hundreds of millions of pounds worth of cryptocurrency, but welcomes planned law to ease seizure of crypto linked to criminal and terrorism. So we need to watch out for that news as well. And we have another news coming from the United States. It's a major of US voters wants more crypto regulation pool shows. And if you've been watching our show, if you've not seen our show, you need to check our show, the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show. The link is around the corner, and you can watch where we talk about things going on in the world of crypto. And I've told you, we really want our regulations to come into place. But this is the headline, and we're sharing the headlines that matters to you in the crypto space. Let's take one more before we round up today's show. And Apple welcome NFT in App Store under tight new rules. These are the headlines, guys, and if you enjoyed the headlines, you might want to subscribe to the channel so you can get more of the headlines as we bring it to you on this channel. And do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. And make sure you turn on the notification bell so you can get more of these headlines as it comes to us and we can share it with you. Until I catch you next time on the headlines, stay safe, stay out of trouble. I still remain myself, Ahmed Alad Kazim, and it's peace out from me to you. Mwah.